Sanbonani, Sanbonani, welcome back to isiZulu with the Queen. Today, I want us to practice the foundations of isiZulu, which are the alphabets. So, we are going to go over them slowly, and I did not write the words because I also want you to also explore your own words while we learn these alphabets. The first one is A. Ah, as in like, ah, that's hurt. It hurts. Ah, yes, that's the ah. Ah. And an example of the picture that I used is A for amehlo, which is eyes. A for amehlo. And then next to A we have ba, ba, ba. For ba for ubaba, ubaba. Then next, moving to the next one, which is this is part of the click sound. And an example of the picture or the word that I used is for ula, ula, which is to sing, ula, which is to sing. Then next we have d, as in like da de di do do, da de di do do, and for dancer, dancer. Then for esikoleni, esikoleni at school, esikoleni. Then fa fe fi fo fu, as in like faka, put, faka inside, put inside. Faka emotweni, put in the car. Faka, faka. Then next we have g, 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 ge, gi, go, gu, g. For ugogo, ugogo, ugogo. Then ha, as in like ha. Did you just do that? Ha. I can't believe it. Ha, ha. And the picture I used is ihawu, which is a Zulu shield. Ihawu, ha, or halala, which is congratulations. Then after ha, we have e for inja, inja, a dog, inja. Then j for ujojo, ujojo, which is a water tank. Ujojo, j, j. Next is ka, ke, koku. I always like saying kaka, and my kids are like, hi, bo, ma'am, did you just say that? Yes, kaka, because that's the easiest way to also remember and not forget, especially when you have to tell between K and KH. So ka, always think of also ka as in like kaka, or ka for kama. I am combing my hair. Kama your hair, girl. Kama. The next one is la leli lolu for lala. Ngiyalala. Lala. Then after la we have ma me mi momu for ooh mama. Ma me mi momu. Ooh mama. Then na ne ni no nu. Ooh nana. Ah, this is a very cute nana. A baby. When we are being playful, we say ooh nana. Okay, and then next we have mango. Oh mango. Oh mango. Oh mango. Oh. Then next to all we have pa. This one can also be confusing, especially if we have pa and pa. Most students confuse these two, and an easiest way to remember is pa for ipapa. Ipapa. Then next we have as in like this, that has a champagne, as if you're opening a champagne bottle and it's abula, as in like to kiss. I'm going to qabula. It's part of the click sounds. Ah, and then ra, 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 ra. Irapa. Irapa. It's a borrowed word from English. Irapa. And Afrikaans, irapa. Irapa. The next, S. Isisu. Tummy, your tummy. Isisu. Isisu. Then itiye. For itiye. The next, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's a song that I made using the vowels because most students tend to confuse these two, especially ah and ooh. But there's ooh, 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 as in like Utisha. Utisha. Next to Utisha, we have va. As in like vave, vivo, vuvala. Close, ovula, open, vala, ovula. Next, we're doing very well. We are almost done. It's wawe, we, wo, woo, which is for woza. Woza, come. Woza, baby girl. Woza. And then next to woza, we have, it's part of the click sounds. Remember, we have 3 click sounds. I'll make a video just explaining how you can remember the different click sounds. As in like ik, or the frog. The frog. Or my surname, which is Imba. It starts with an X. Then next, the last one is ya. Ya, ye, yo, you. Ya, ye, yo, you. For yo. Iyoyo. I am playing iyoyo. Ngidlala iyoyo. Then the last one is zaze zizozo for isiZulu. Zaze zizozu isiZulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I hope you have learned something. See you next time.